Hi guys, today we're talking about LangChain. And no, it's not a new fitness routine. It's actually just making AI useful. So, here's something to think about. How does an AI actually become smart? Imagine a robot that talks really well, but that's literally all it does. It can answer questions, sure, but it can't check the weather, can't remember you, can't use apps. It's basically just a very confident parrot. This is where LangChain steps in. Think of it like a Lego kit for building an AI brain. It connects the model, the brain, with tools, rules, memory, and context. Basically, the glue that turns random pieces into a functioning robot. When you combine all that, you get an AI agent, kind of like a smart robot child. You ask something, it thinks, decides if it needs help, uses a tool, then answers. So it's like question, think, use a tool, then answer. For example, we give it a weather tool. This one's pretend, so don't cancel your umbrella plans, but the AI can call it and respond like it actually checks something. It's learning to use helpers instead of guessing. Next, we pick the brain, GPT or another model. We tune creativity using temperature. Low temperature, strict teacher mode. Medium, friendly assistant. High, chaotic storyteller inventing dragons in the forecast. Then we give it a personality because nobody wants a boring robot. Tell it you're a weather expert who speaks in puns. Now, instead of it's sunny, you get it's a wonderful day. Much better. We also give robot a toolbox, weather tool, location tool, whatever it needs. And the cool part, it chooses which tool to use. Like, I don't know the city. Let me find the location first. That's decision making. Next, context. We give it user info, basically an ID card. Now it knows who it's talking to. And just to clarify, LangChain doesn't magically know your location. It only uses context you provide. And memory. This is huge. Without memory, every conversation starts from zero. With memory, it remembers past interaction, which makes it feel way smarter. You can even tell it how to respond, funny tone, structured output, clean formatting, basically teaching your robot some communication skills. So now, look what we have built an AI with a brain, tools, rules, memory, identity, and the ability to think before acting. That's the upgraded version. Remember, back at the beginning, when we talked about that AI that could only talk, the super confident parrot that couldn't actually do anything? Well, this is the glow up moment. Without LangChain, that's exactly what you get. Just conversation, no tools, no memory, no decisions. With LangChain, now the AI thinks, decides, uses tools, remembers context, and basically acts like a real assistant. So we started with the problem, but we ended with the transformation. Same AI brain, just connected properly. And suddenly, it's not a parrot anymore, it's actually useful. And that's LangChain in a nutshell, a framework that helps you build smarter AI systems that behave more like real assistants.